Hi everybody, my name is Jen Jones, and this is the newest dance by the four ladies that we did it before. Adeline Cheng, Rosie Multari, Georgie Mygrant, and myself, Jen Jones. It's a 32 count beginner dance, one very easy tag. We chose not to do any restarts because it works very well without restarts. Otherwise there would have been multiple restarts. And to keep it a beginner, that's what we chose to do. The song is Mamas by Ann Wilson, and here's the walkthrough. Weight starts on that left, so it is right, left, forward, and back, left, right, back together, cross, side together, forward, side together, forward, turning jazz ups, forward, back, side, and cross. Now you're going back, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Rock, recover, cross, turn, turn, step, lock step with a brush, lock step with a brush, step, half turn, step, quarter turn. That's the whole dance. Now with the count, it is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the tag happens after the first rotation. Do the first rotation. So it is walk, walk, forward and back, 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 coaster, step, side together, forward, side together, forward, low jazz box. Now your touches. Step, touch, touch, step, touch, rock and cross, turn, step and turn, locks up with a brush. Step, half turn, step, half turn, step, quarter turn, 2 sways, right, left, begin the dance over again with the walk, walk. Okay, I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to put the music on and we will show you a demo.